So I'm going to Wales with 40 bikers, and Oxford Products have very kindly and bravely decided to send me the luggage for it, which honestly kind of feels like giving a gremlin a suitcase and just hoping for the best. So let me show you what I've got. Hi everyone, I'm That Girl Biker and I video my life on two wheels and bring you guys along for the journey because it's never boring on two wheels, especially with me, and especially when we're going to Wales. So this is going to be a proper bike rally trip. We're talking like group ride outs, really long days, and of course the unpredictable Welsh weather, and probably at least one or two questionable decisions from the group at some point. So Oxford Products have kindly sent the Aqua Pro luggage range whilst we're on the road, whilst we're in a trip, and whilst we're in the Welsh weather. It's just going to be carnage, isn't it? And as we know, it always rains in Wales. So we've got the Aqua Pro 50, the Aqua Pro 30 and the Aqua Pro 20. So I've got the 50 litre, Ashley's going to be using the 30 and the 20 litre, which probably already tells you everything about our personalities that you need to know. Right, so this is the Aqua Pro T50 and first impressions, it's solid. Like properly solid. Not sort of hope for the best waterproof. This is more like if you throw it into a storm, it will come out laughing the other side, honestly. It's got a roll top closure system. So you Velcro it together and roll it down. So once it's sealed, it's sealed. So there's no zip slowly betraying you halfway through Wales, which is ideal because I don't need drama from my luggage. I've had a bag before with a zip and a zip has opened up during mid-ride and everything's gone everywhere. But that's not going to happen with this. So that is cool. I like that. Let's be honest though, this size is dangerous for someone like me because I look at a 50 litre bag and I don't think, ooh, packing space. I think, challenge accepted. How many outfits can I fit in this bag? 5 outfits, easy. 10 outfits, probably. Emergency outfit in case I decide to reinvent myself mid-Wales? Necessary. This bag doesn't stop me, it enables me. Now, one of the specifications that Wot Boyz have put on the document for Wales is pack light. I've got a 50 litre bag, which is concerning. And just think, I can even pack you and take you to Wales. Would you like that? Yeah. Good girl. So let's actually look at what this is. So this is the Oxford Products Aqua Pro T50 range. This is made from heavy duty PVC tarpaulin, so it's fully waterproof. Welded seams, roll top closure, the whole lot. Basically, it's designed for exactly the kind of weather Wales is known for, which is, yes, to everything. It's got a 1000D PVC base, so the bottom section is seriously tough. So that's the bit that takes the road spray, the dirt, the gravel, and of course, my questionable parking choices. Then a 500D upper section, so it still rolls properly without fighting you like a stubborn bin bag. Now sizes, this is my one, this is a 50 litres, which is not a bag anymore, it's basically a personal tent for me. So it comes with backpack straps, which I'm actually going to show you how to fit because this is a really, really clever little mechanism. So it's got little metal fasteners there. Basically what you do is squeeze that, flick the metal bit down and it actually clicks and locks it into place. And then to release, you just squeeze that, flick it and it pings open. So let's put them on. So I'm actually going to try this on because I think Ashley might have to carry my bag. I feel like Dora the Explorer. Do you know, it actually fits quite nice. It's only just on my bum. It's not overwhelming, actually. I thought it was going to be a lot more intrusive than what it is. It might look ridiculous on camera. And if it does, I'm sure you guys will let me know in the comments. It feels alright, feels comfy. The straps are padded, so they're not sort of digging in. I do believe that if it was full to the brim, which it's going to be, if I tried to carry it, I'd just topple back. But it feels good. It's got grab handles on the sides and front and back, and a base that actually keeps it upright, which is useful because otherwise I'd leave it somewhere and just sort of forget it exists. So as well as the backpack straps, it's also got grab handles on the sides and front and back, which is obviously extremely useful, especially for lifting it onto your bike. There's even an air release valve there, which basically means you're not going to be fighting with a giant inflatable sausage when you roll it up, which I appreciate deeply because I don't need my luggage to have attitude. Especially with how full it's going to be. And it even probably means I can fit more in because I can cram it, release the air, roll it down, sorted. Ash's setup. We've got the 30 litre T-roll plus a 20 litre DE, which is a dual end. So basically it rolls from either end. It all looks very organised, very neat, very controlled. It's very, I made a list. Meanwhile, I've got the 50 litre, which looks like I'm moving out permanently. And the worst part is, I know when he packs this, he's still going to have plenty of space left. Which is a concept I will never understand. So let's have a look at these two. So they do clip together, which is amazing. Which probably means, actually, I can clip his two to mine. He can carry all three luggages. And I won't have to put any on my bike. I'll put that to him. I'll put that idea to him. So let's unclip these and have a look. Look how easy. So this comes with a shoulder strap instead of the rucksack. You've got two ends that roll. So this is actually going to be great for, you know, grabbing the quick bits. And you won't have to rummage that far with it being accessible from both ends. So that is quite cool, actually. That's quite a good idea. So yeah, I think definitely for us, this is going to be more of a camera bag, waterproofs, batteries, chargers, anything like that that we might need to grab whilst we're out and about. That's going to be a lot easier. And then this is the T30. So it's the same concept as the 50. Just a little bit smaller, just a little bit more sensible. This is probably the size that most people would take for 3 days, 2 nights in Wales. Also comes with straps so you can wear it like a backpack again. Air release valve, air release valve, air release valve. So I think these are actually pretty impressive. They feel really, really well made, especially with them having welded like edges and not just sewn, so you're definitely not going to get any leakage. The thing is with bike trips though, is you tell yourself you're going to pack light, and it's the same with holidays. You tell yourself you're going to pack light, and then you have that little voice in the back of your head that goes, what if it rains? What if it's cold? What if it's sunny? What happens if I decide to go for a walk? And then suddenly you've packed like you're escaping the country. Because if you are going to overpack, like me, at least do it properly. In all seriousness, once this is mounted onto the bike, I know it's going to feel so solid. It comes with plenty of straps, so there's not going to be any wobbling, there's going to be no shifting, not constantly checking your mirrors like, is it still there or have I donated it to the roads? Because the last thing you need mid-ride is your luggage flying off your bike or opening up and everyone's seeing your kitchen sink. So yeah, there we have it. Wales, 40 bikers, questionable packing decisions and 2 very different approaches to luggage. We'll see how this Aqua Pro setup actually performs on the road and how much of it I really use. So as well as my normal ride out videos that I post on YouTube, I am also going to be vlogging this Wales trip, because I just think it's going to be so chaotic and so awesome all at the same time. So I'll get these fitted on a bike and I'll be seeing you very soon. Yeah, I actually wonder if I can attach all of these together, because if Ashley can have this all on one, that would be a lot better for me, won't it? So clip that together. The thing is, I know Ashley won't approve of this, but I think it'd be tough, to be honest. Oh yeah, I think Ashley would be absolutely fine with that, all on one. Yeah, it'd be alright. I think that's a good idea, actually. It's a bit safer then, isn't it? Then I'm not responsible for luggage. Yeah, I think we'll triple stack him. Awesome. Do I tell him? No, I'll just load his bike up for him. Action. That's the executive decision. Okay, sorted. Hey, that looks the biz. That actually looks the business.